Hi, I'm 13 Mullock. Today I would like to talk about belief. Now, belief is an interesting concept because unlike many words in English that refer to abstract concepts, belief has only one meaning. So it's kind of odd in a way that so many people don't know what it means. So let's start with the definition. What does belief mean? Belief means acceptance as true. Now, knowledge is also accepted as true, but knowledge is not belief. Okay, so what's the difference? Well, according to Plato, knowledge is true, justified belief. So it's information that meets three criteria. It has to be true, it has to be justified, and it has to be believed. So to give an example, let's say I tell you there's a monster in my closet, and there isn't. You can't, even if you believe me, know that there's a monster in my closet because you can't know something that isn't true. Now let's say I tell you there's a monster in my closet, and there is, and you actually go and look. You open the door, and sure enough there is a monster in my closet. Then the information is true and it's justified, but it still isn't knowledge, because I could tell you there's a monster in my closet and you could go look and you could see a monster in my closet, and then you could slam the door of the closet and say, that's impossible, there are no such things as monsters, I don't believe it. In that case you wouldn't know that there was a monster in my closet, even though there is and you've seen it. Okay, so belief then is one of the criteria of knowledge, but belief differs from knowledge in that it need not be true and it need not be justified. Now, if it were true and justified, you wouldn't say, I believe. You would say, I know. So that's the difference. Now, if you believe what you do not know, you are accepting something as true, even though you don't know if it is true. Why would you want to do that? Well, in part 2, I am going to talk about some good reasons why you would do that. There are two. There are two good reasons why you would believe something that you don't know is true. Okay, and then in the third part, I will tell you what happens to you when you believe things that are not true. There are some serious repercussions to doing that. It's not a harmless activity. So that's it for this section. I'll see you in the next section.